We got the secret sauce that we put on tires around here. This sauce right here. Fuck beadlock, you don't even need them when you got this.
That's actually true.
It's probably true.
So you want to just go ahead and tell them what we're doing, or?
Well, put it on the. Well, Juan's put it on the.
There's some special wheels that have made their way to my garage.
Yeah, yeah.
We're not gonna neither confirm nor deny that they're mine or yours or anybody else's.
We don't know whose they are.
We just have them in our possession somehow.
Yeah.
So what we need to do today is put them together.
One of the steps of what's coming.
Oh yeah. Oh, hint. Oh. Can you clean out the junk out of? Where'd you even find these tires?
They were in my storage shed.
In your storage, or were they in your backyard? Because
no, they were in storage.
There's leaves and everything inside of them.
Well, I did have to drive them over here in the
Are you sure they're not dry rotted?
Where? Show me dry rot.
There's rat poop inside.
Where?
Right there.
Hey.
Oh, I'm sorry. It's a dead fly. Sorry.
They sent you that?
Here.
What is
try some super cleans. It breaks down crud super fast.
Super fast?
Super fast because it's super clean. Insert ad here.
Insert ad here.
Let's talk. Let's show them the goods. Look at this. Billet. Oh, sorry.
Why are you scratching my shit, Juan?
It's not yours.
Oh, that's right.
Look at this here. Billet specialty. Super nice. 15 by
10.
10?
Yes.
0.5 or just 10?
Just 10.
Super nice. And here's the beadlock to go with it. This beadlock's a whole lot nicer than mine, to be honest with you, because it's got the ridges on the back. Had I known, I may have gone with these. Oh yeah, that's super cool. They look killer. They look really good. Now we just push it down. Mm-hmm. Okay. Yeah, just throw the bolts all over the place. That's fine.
So what happens? Remember, hey, they might have gave us an extra one on here too.
So what do you think about this top 10 Trans Am list? We're gonna talk about this because it's gonna be on this video.
A lot of people
Since we're doing Trans Am stuff anyways.
Cars that actually like race. There's a lot of cars on there that shouldn't be on there anymore.
No, at least most of the cars are. I think all the cars on there are still racing actually. There's one that is building it still. And then the freight train was building his. He's done. He's been racing. Which leads me to my next point.
Oh, okay.
You guys know there's been movement on the top 10 Trans Ams list, and we need to make a decision together as the listees, basically. If you're on the list, or if you want to get on the list, or if you have any interest on the list, leave a comment down below. We have a new number one, and the problem is he's a ladder bar car.
Oh, yeah.
It's a ladder bar car. Number one on the list right now, Carlos, the real freight train. He's number one on the list. Here's the clip. Check out the car. It's badass for sure. It's So yeah, as you saw, the car's super fast. It's number 1 on the list currently, but there's questions with that, because originally, the original video, which I'll play here in a little bit, the original video rules were you can't be back half, and his car is a ladder bar car. All these Trans Ams are 410s and no big tire. Obviously, we all run small tires, mostly drag radial cars, and they can't be back half. So we need to make a decision as listees if we're gonna allow a ladder bar car on the list. Technically, I think that's considered back half. May or may not be, but in my eyes, I would think that that would be a back half car. What's your thoughts?
Mine?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, no.
Yeah.
Yeah, no.
Yeah. So leave your comment down below. What do you think? Should we just go ahead and kick him off for being ladder bar car? You let me know. Right now, he's sitting on number 1, and we'll decide together. Solomon was on the list, but he got kicked off a long time ago. For being
OG list. OG list person.
OG 10-second list.
OG 10-second list, yeah, for real. Oh shit. Oh. Hey-o. Hey-o.
That was it. Take it out. Noise.
Yeah. Just popped once. That's pretty cool.
See?
Yeah, didn't make that much of a mess.
All right, check those out. Hell yeah. Matching set, they look good, dude.
Oh, thank you. I appreciate it.
Really do.
Shout out to Charbonier Racing.
Shout out to Charbonier Racing who provided the wheels.
Yeah, super fast. Had what I wanted in stock. People that know me know I don't like to wait at all.
Yeah.
I'll turn around with the I think the fronts are heavier than the backs.
They do feel
These feel heavier
but
than the
the
backs.
tire, I think, is generally heavy. This brand tire.
Yeah,
generally
because my other ones don't feel as heavy. I have like the regular Sportsman's. Ugh.
Alright, so yeah, that was basically it on the agenda today. Solomon's on his way out with the wheels. There's people who don't have their cars anymore, and people who definitely don't have their cars anymore. So this list is definitely in need of some changes for sure. Night Train is no longer at the number 1. Instead, the real Freight Train all the way from number 7, completely passing everybody up to the number 1 spot. His car's super fast, but we've got a decision to make, and then I'll post the results of the list pretty soon, so keep an eye out for that. I'll post the top 10 and where everybody sits at the moment soon. Once I get this Camaro completed and take it back to Rick, I'm gonna go pick up the Bullet, bring it back home, and show you guys everything that's been done to it. It's beyond words so far. Zach killed it on the fab work, and I'm super excited to see it in person. Super excited to do my video that I have in mind, and yeah, it's gonna be badass. So stay tuned for that. Make sure you're subscribed if you haven't already. I'm gonna get back to work.
Stock front, just cut right there like everybody else does. BMRK member, of course. All stock floor. Didn't even have to cut to put the 25Ks. Just, you know, little holes that go through the floor. That's about it. All stock frame. Even got for the spare tire.